Have you ever felt like life was just happening to you? Like you're a helpless passenger on a ship without a rudder? Or maybe you've heard of the placebo effect, or the power of positive thinking, but you're not sure how to make it work in your life. Jose Silva, a renowned author and lecturer, offers a practical and effective solution in his book, The Silva Mind Control Method. It's not about wishful thinking or ignoring reality. It's about harnessing the incredible power of your mind that most people do and know how to use. In this video, we'll look at 10 powerful lessons from his book that can help you unlock your hidden potential and take control of your life. Lesson 1. Your mind is powerful. As far everything starts with a thought. Our thoughts determine how we act and how we feel. As we think, so we become. By learning how to manage our thoughts, we can create more success, inner peace, and joy in our lives. Lesson 2. Entering the alpha state. Our minds work at various levels, and each level has a different kind of energy. The alpha state is a deep state of relaxation where the mind is calm and focused. This state makes us more creative, intuitive, and able to heal ourselves. Learning how to relax is a simple and effective way to get to this powerful state of mind. Lesson 3. The power of mental imagery. Our minds are easily fooled. When we think about something again and again, our mind accepts it as true. Athletes, artists, and leaders use this idea to their advantage. They imagine themselves succeeding over and over again until it becomes a reality. We can use this idea to improve our skills, reach our goals, and improve our confidence. Lesson 4. Positive programming. What we say to ourselves has a big effect on how we act. Our inner voice can either help us succeed or hold us back. Positive programming teaches us to replace bad thoughts with good ones. When we do this, we reprogram our minds to work for us instead of against us. Lesson 5. Creative visualization for goals. Creative visualization is a powerful tool that Silva teaches us. It allows us to see our goals as if they have already been achieved. When we think about our goals in this way, we send a clear message to our subconscious mind, which then works hard to make them a reality. Lesson 6. Awakening intuition. Many people think of intuition as a magical ability that only a few people have, but it's not. It's a natural ability that everyone has. When our minds are quiet, we can hear that small voice inside us more clearly. By calming our minds, we can listen to our intuition and make better choices in life. Lesson 7. Healing with the mind. Our thoughts and feelings have a big effect on our bodies. Silva taught us that we have the power to heal ourselves by using our minds. We can speed up the healing process, ease pain, and lower stress by using mental images and our thoughts. Lesson 8. Problem solving with imagination. Worrying does not solve problems. It only makes things worse. Instead of worrying, Silva recommends that we relax our minds and imagine different ways to solve a problem. Our subconscious minds are very creative and can come up with answers that we would never have thought of if we were awake and busy. 9. Helping others through thought. Our thoughts are powerful, and they can reach beyond our physical limits. We can help others by sending them thoughts of healing, prayer, or good wishes. No matter how far away they are from us, we can still have an effect on them. Lesson 10. You are more than you realize. Silva's teaching has one main idea at its core, which is that we are more than we think we are. We are not limited. We are creators. We can change our lives, our future, and the world around us for the better by focusing our thoughts, being intentional, and full of love. These lessons from Jose Silva show us how strong the mind is. But just knowing about them isn't enough. It's important to put them into practice. So I encourage you to try out these methods and make them a part of your daily routine. Calm your mind, visualize your goals, think positively, and make the most of your abilities. Remember, you are more capable than you think, and you can make your dreams come true with a little bit of practice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.